Hi, Chris is here. As I told you in the previous video, after placing the first order on the website, I have received the text message, WhatsApp message, and also the email with the confirmation. As you can see, I have email here, and also there is my WhatsApp message, and the text message with the smart link and my login. After clicking the smart link, it will check if I already downloaded the NutriBot app or not. If not, it will redirect me to the right store, to the Google Play or App Store, and after downloading the app, it will replace the login, so it will fill my login and password. After clicking the link, as you have seen, I've already had the mobile app, and there is a invitation text, welcome Chris, there is my login, next, and okay, I need to put my password here, and just click the login button. After login, you can see that I have my dashboard, so I can see my meal plan at the very top. I can click on that, and I can see when I will receive the orders, and we have the order managed in the previous video by the customer panel based on the website, so we can see what we have. At Monday, I have the meal plan delivered to my home in Dubai, and then in the Tuesday, we have the pickup point, which we already changed. Then at Wednesday, we have the again home delivery, and if I would like to reschedule it, for example, I can the same like on the customer panel based on the website, change delivery method or change delivery day, for example, to this day to Friday. And that's it. It is already rescheduled. Of course, I can change delivery method, I can save my favorite addresses, the same like in the customer panel. And what else? I can check my menu. So similar like previously, I can make the changes in the future. I can read about the menu, about the meals, and I can of course rate the meals in the history. So if I already eaten something, I can send the comment. If I received the answer, I will receive push notification on my iPhone and I will see the answer. Then I can of course edit my exclusions. I can renew my order. I can by one click choose the same meal plan as previously and make the place an order for the next time. There is no menu published. I can confirm the add-ons. And by few clicks repeat my last order. I can of course manage the orders separately. I can place another order for the totally new meal plan, like for my wife, for example. I can choose the between all the meal plans available, the same like on the website. Then we have the contact section, and the same as previously, after clicking for example social media or WhatsApp button, I can automatically open WhatsApp and send the information to your company. There is also the news section with all the blog posts you've sent to your clients. The blog posts can be connected with the push notification, so if you would like to inform your clients about new meal plans, some kind of breaks in the kitchen operations or something like that, you can send them in the news section. Of course, there is the orders history, so I can see list of my orders and the payment statuses. If I haven't paid, I can click pay online and quickly pay for that. In more section, I can manage my reminders. So I can set different reminders about the meal eating at different times, like here. I can set the reminder about the meal rating, ending order notification, and the notification about receiving an orders by the courier. Then there is a survey section, the contact calorie demand calculator, so I can calculate my requirements, terms and conditions, and last but not least, the loyalty program. So after clicking the number of points, I can see all the points collected, and of course similar, I can like on the website, I can use the referral program, so I can generate my link and share with my colleagues. And I can also pay by points or change the points for an extra lunch, for example. And in quick, this is everything about the mobile app. What is also really important that customers love using mobile apps. The Apple and Google Play, from each mobile app version, they restart collecting the rates here, but you can see there is 4.8 average based on the 27 rates, but we are collecting all the rates starting the mobile app. On the iOS there is more than 3,000 rates and there is 4.9 average, and on the Google Play there is about 2,000 rates and there is also 485 average. People love our mobile apps. This is one of the best rated mobile apps in the stores in food tech industry, so they love to manage their meal plans and connect with your company daily. I hope this video was helpful and helped you understand the customer journey and the customer front end in NutriBot. See you in the next videos. Bye.